In the first video, the man was talking about speaking part 3 for CAE. He was talking about 3 different aspects we must take in mind when we are going to take this part of this exam. One of that aspect is that the third part lasted just 4 minutes. You have 2 minutes for discussing about a topic, which is going to be in a card. So you have in the center a question, and around it you're gonna be a lot of prompt. You're also going to have a candidate or a partner. It can be 2 or 3 partners, and you're gonna discuss. One of the points we have to take in mind is that when we are discussing, we are just focusing in our partner, looking each other, not the examiner, because the examiner is gonna be like this on the desk, watching the candidates, how they discuss and make a conclusion. As soon as you have discussed about the topic, you're gonna be stopped by the examiner, and he or she is gonna ask you a question to make a conclusion of the topic. So it's gonna be another different question, but related to the topic you are talking about in the discussion. Another point that the video was talking about was the big problems we do in this part 3. One of the big problems are how to be agree or disagree in a discussion. Most students who present this exam are always saying the same. I agree because of yes, I agree because of no. So this is an opportunity to review and study different vocabulary, high vocabulary, how to be agree and disagree in a discussion. That's gonna help you in this part 3. Another aspect is related to your partner, the partner you're gonna have for discussion. One of that thing is help your partner. Sometimes we have a partner who doesn't speak, he's like shut all the time. You're talking about the center topic, trying to discuss him, but he's just shut. You maintain his or her mouth shut. In that case, you have to invite him or her with some questions like, how about you? What do you think about this? In order to create a discussion, because we cannot create a discussion by ourselves. And another aspect is listen to your partner. You're not gonna be like talking and talking and talking all the time, and your partner trying to say something. You're talking and talking and talking like a parrot. So these are aspects you have to manage in this part 3 of this exam. Another aspect is don't spend too much time on each prompt. You have a strategy to do this is answer the question in giving reasons. It's gonna help you not to spend your 2 minutes you have in this part of the discussion in just one prompt. Remember, we have to discuss about all the prompts related to the center topic. In this part, when we are discussing about the center topic, we are not bent to reach conclusions. I agree with it because we just discussed about the prompts around the center topic, and that's gonna be that's it. One important thing to finish this part 3 is always give reasons. Not say yes and not say anything, not say yes and not say anything at all. Just always giving reason, always answering why you agree and why you don't agree. One of the common mistakes in this part 3 are not to finish the question. The answer of the question is lack of advanced vocabulary, which means you have just basic English repeating the same questions all the time. So it's very important to start building different vocabulary areas like technology, environment, finance. That's why reading newspaper and watching news is gonna help us in this part. Speaking part 4, in this video we can appreciate an encounter, a coaching by Skype. We see the tutor and they are having an encounter of this part 4. So part 4 of CAE is about debating or discussing a topic. The tutor asks the topic and the guys are discussing if they agree or not about the topic. Besides, when something is going right during the discussion, we can see just a green check on the screen, and when the candidates, one of the candidates are repeating or they don't know what to say, and a message is appearing on the screen too. And in the last part of this, we have a central topic here, why are these inventions important in our everyday life? I will start with mobile phones. Mobile phones are important inventions in everyday life because it permits us to get in touch with our family, with our partners, with somebody which is abroad. That's why mobile phones are an important invention in everyday life. Besides, nowadays mobile phones have many applications. We can find on Play Store and get in touch with the whole world. For example, not talking about getting in touch, we can find in mobile phones software in which we can learn other languages like English. The refrigerator. The refrigerator is an important invention in everyday life because it keeps our food in a healthy state. I remember when I don't have this machine, it was really hard for me because I was spoiling too many food. Airplanes. Airplanes are important in our everyday life because they permit us to get to another city or country in a short time. Washing machine. Well, I think this is for women, and it is an important invention because it facilitates this labor like women's work. And nowadays, men can use it in an easy way. It facilitates how to wash clothing. It's a very easy way to wash clothing now. In past time, it was really difficult washing with your hands, and it was really hard. And finally, the internet is very important because in internet we can find anything we want. We can search past information time, and we can look for any information we want to know about. Thank you.